guys, what's up? I'm not 60 and today I'm going to be taking apart an Xbox. I'm sorry if that was a bit too fast. Yo guys, what's up? I'm not 60 and today I'm going to be taking apart an Xbox. I love it.
Oh, with that just run across.
Grace. yeah, thanks. Right, I need to tap screen because it's a bit lower. Yeah, thank you. Let's just go for this. It's literally going to break in half. You know, who cares? It's for YouTube. It's quite experimental. But yo, it's just going to break. Let's just jump on it. Oh, thank God it didn't wake up. Okay. Quieten down, quieten down.
Hmm?
Nothing. She shouted me to quieten down, so I'm quietening down. Sorry. Yes, this is gonna be loud though. Sorry, this is gonna be loud. Sorry, Mum. Sorry, Mum. Please don't be loud. Be quiet. Yes. Good point. Yes, thank you. Good boy, Xbox. Well, girl, whatever you are. Shoot. Yes, it's unclipped. Yes, it's unclipped. It's unclipped. Right, that's unclipped. Yes. So now we just need to go across this bad boy. Yes. Good. This is getting into the brains of it. Sucker. Never do this yourself, please. That's the loudest it's going to be. Let's set this low. Oh God, I thought it shut the video off then. Shoot.
He sleeps now, she won't sleep tonight.
What?
She won't sleep tonight.
Oh well, kind of. Let's just trust me, let's just not speak about that because we need to get on with this video, please. That's right, oh, so I'm gonna lose subs. Bad bit. Big time. Oh yeah. Oh yo, that's where the CD drive goes in and out. Okay. Oh, that's a bit on that button. Oh well, so what? So be it. Oh, we literally got the whole Xbox off. Yeah. Yo, that's the battery pack. Oh wait, that's the CD drive. You know, I actually once had to take one of these apart. Well, one of them has before, right? Let's open this CD drive up. CD drive, sorry. Come on, two just in ones. Is it pointing? No.
You just dropped it on my foot.
You're just pointing at this.
No, well, I don't care. It just flashed me.
No, listen. This is for my life.
I'm getting fed up of holding it now. Being sat here nearly an hour.
Good for you.
Buggered off.
Does well now.
Well, I'm going
No. I said pointing at this.
It's pointing right at it.
I said this.
No. I've had enough doing it now.
Wait, no,
I've been
stop
doing it
moaning,
nearly
please.
an hour.
Just stop moaning, please.
I won't stop moaning.
God, you're alright when you give me pocket money, but now. Oh. Jeez.
Oh.
This is actually lit. Right, this is
You know
not.
what? If it ain't right, do it yourself.
No, I would have seen if it was right. Just leave it, please.
That's my answer to you.
This video, I've got to get 100 likes.
You've got 8 minutes.
Alright, cool. You don't need to tell me. This is a bit. Oh, yo, this is a bit, is it? We'll do this in another video. This drive. This is going to be the thumbnail. Just all this layered. Thank you. I just want it a bit higher. So the fan's going to be taken out right now. Shoot, this is hard. Now, if you send once the time's over, I'll go with up and I'll end the video, right, once the time's up, right? So I just know when to tell her. Yeah, this is Microsoft Xbox 360 so it says. Which it says is. It's lit, this Xbox though. It's literally lit. Not like little fight, it's just a saying. It means it's really good. Instead of saying it's sick.
Go home and make some
I know you've always. We need to talk about this video, okay? As much as we don't like it, well, I like it. As much as you don't like it, please just.
Well, I'm bored to distraction now. Just sat here holding this.
Don't I think I get bored when you go on about World War II?
At World War II, I've never mentioned World War II. You asked me a lot of stuff.
I don't.
When you were doing all that at school, you asked me to tell you stuff.
Fair enough. You they look like fidget spinners. Wait. Pass that set, please. Thanks. That's sick. They look like fidget spinners.
Oh.
They look like fidget spinners. It's lit. Like, when you put it back that place.
Oh.
In fact, no, it's actually, I'll just talk myself. Just leave getting bored. Would this angle be okay, guys? I'll just pop it at one of in 1 sec, please.
Can't put that there, it'll get it way.
It's not. The camera's actually there. There we go, it's fine. Let's take that off. And
See it?
yep, perfectly fine. So yeah, you can see that hopefully good, guys. So, I don't know, it's not actually working properly. That's not as good, it's not working properly now. Pass it back to the junior. Oh, wait, I've got an idea. Put it on there. Put it there. What have I done? Stand there. Can you have a look if you can see this? Wait, you want to tell me? Oh, yes, you can see it. Yes, that's actually a better camera. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, sorry.
You're going to put all that in rubbish bag when you've done with it.
Not this, I'm keeping on this, working on these. I'm just going to snap this off one day. Because this bag is the main part, it literally is. Isn't it, guys? Well, isn't it, guys, I should say. Because that doesn't sound right, that isn't in it. This is the way it went, man. Do you know why I do it for you guys? Because I do. He's gonna like. Oh, please don't. That's gonna work so loud. Oh, I could just take this little bit off here. So if I pull this bit off here, I don't know why, cause it's so big. I can't be bothered finding them. Let's just pull it. You know, this is actually what was connected to this. That's what connected to this disk drive. So if we connect it back to this disk drive, guys, hopefully if it please, should you work? Yo, what? Yo, what's that for? It's lit. Oh yeah, that was for the fan probably.
I've got to have an injection on some Thursday.
Yeah, her legs hurt. Oh, you're thinking the way of the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Oh well. Thanks.
Alright.
I am more bothered about your operation, not operation, injection, so I am more bothered about that.
Can't wait to get it done.
Because it's good.
Oh, it's so much pain.
What is?
What it's doing now.
Oh yeah, no, your leg. Yeah, her leg really hurts, guys.
Oh.
If we could all like this video for her leg, it'd be awesome. It would be. Yeah. That's good in. Also, guys, please subscribe to Facebook. He's very good. Go and subscribe to me first of all. No, that's just a bit greedy of me, but please. Okay, basically, guys, this is being a bit stupid. Oh, yeah, that's what this is for. That's connected to this. Then this, which is this, is then connected to this drive. When it's connected all through this, and it's science, guys. Bad science. That's what I can do, you guys. Shoot, this is going to take a while to clean up here, isn't it? Yeah. It's a musical instrument. Listen, Nana. Listen.
Yeah. What is it?
It's part of it's literally a musical instrument.
Like a xylophone.
Okay, so guys, that basically tells it. See you guys.